Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, July 22nd. So, from forexfactory.com calendar, what do we have on the news, scheduled news for today? You can see at 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. At 3 p.m. we have President Trump speaking, and that is it for the day. So, very, very light news day from a scheduled news event perspective. Taking a look at the charts. Here is the daily chart. You can see we had a big day yesterday. We got and closed above the moving averages. But we're still in this giant sideways movement here. So short term, we're definitely sideways. Medium term, we're definitely sideways. But long term, we're definitely up. Why? Because we are now above all of the moving average. The 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day were all above that as of yesterday's close. Now, overnight, we are now below those two moving averages. However, not significantly. Volume yesterday was kind of anemic considering it was such a big up day, just barely above average. Where could we go? As we've been saying now for 10 or 12 days, we've got to get above this band to get really moving to the upside. We've got to get below this band to really get going to the downside. You can see that we have tested this lower side several times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This bottom area has been tested and so far has held. If we can get below 74.80 could really get some movement to the downside. If we get above 76.40, we can really get some movement to the upside as well with a retest of the all-time highs. Taking a look at inventory, you can see that the price action was up and inventory was up. So those are correlated. So all good. Nothing to say about that. Moving on, taking a look at the overnight action, you can see that we have approximately 36 points overnight action. That's pretty low, actually, compared to what we've had. However, it's still above the historical average of 22 to 25. Where do we have support and resistance? So we've got some support on the bottom side around 75.11, 7,500, the whole number, 74.84, 74.72. Resistance, we've got resistance up here around the 75.50 area, 75.73, 75.80, of course, 75.86, 7,600, the whole number, 76.10. Those are your support and resistance numbers. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 47.6 percentage that the market will be up today, which means we have a negative bias of about 53% to the downside. So there you have that. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.